How to switch between games in Fire Kirin app. Fire Kirin isn't just one game, it's a whole arcade in your pocket. You can play fish shooting, slots, and other mini games in all the same app. Let's learn how to switch between them without missing the action. First, open your Fire Kirin app and log into your account. From the main lobby screen, you will see a list of available games. To switch, just tap the game title or icon you want to play. It will instantly load the game. Want to switch again? No problem. Hit the back to lobby in the corner of the screen and you will return to the game selection menu. From there, just choose another game. Keep an eye on your balance. It carries over across all the games so you don't lose track of your winning. Here's the pro tip. If one game feels slow, don't waste your credits. Switch it off. Different games give you different chance at jackpots. And that's it. If this helped you master your Fire Kirin arcade, hit like and subscribe and don't forget to share this with your fellow players. See you in the next game.